Alright folks, as you saw, I just shot a little doe there. We're just going to give it a couple of minutes. I think I shot her a little high. She fell down, that's okay. It was exciting, man. It just happened. I just heard a bunch of noise behind me. I couldn't see what it was. And then this little doe came up. I set the camera. I did it all by myself. I had my friend behind me. But I set the camera and just took a shot, quick shot, 20 yards. I didn't even range it. I think, let's see what it is. Oh, it's 20 on the dot. So we're gonna go down there and take care of it. Very exciting. I think we didn't see anything. We has kind of warm, 71 degrees, south wind about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And she came actually from downwind of us, and it was so fast, so fast. So we got our first deer of this year. And we're gonna have to go take care of her, and we'll be back with the recap. Thank you. Yeah, I think we got her. All right. Yeah, very nice. Very nice animal. Very nice doe, healthy. That's kind of part of our game plan here. We try to take does and really mature bucks and try to improve our buck to doe ratio. You'll probably see later in the video we saved one of these just the other night. Just about, I don't know, 150 yards away from there. We're jumping the fence and one got stuck on it, so I'm sure you'll be able to see that. But this is I'm very thankful to the God for just giving me this opportunity to come out here and enjoy the outdoors. And we had a kind of difficult couple of days here this past weekend. Today's Tuesday, October 5th. So we had a tough weekend. I missed the doe at the exact same spot. So I put a wrong pin on her. I have no idea what happened. But then we came back to redeem ourselves, and it's a very, very successful hunt tonight. So very thankful to Laura for letting me take this beautiful animal. And we're gonna continue our adventures. We need to put a tag on this thing and clean it and take it home. We also gotta go look for an arrow that my buddy put in the ground 2 days ago. He missed a deer. Pretty far out, but so thanks for watching, and then we'll bring some more updates.
Vidite kako smo mi dobri lovci, jel da? Baš ove upale u žicu noga.
Ovo je druga koju smo već našli.
Povuci je sebi dobro. Tako ljudi. To je pravi lovci. Svidio. I nije ni drečala, je li to ona mala? Nije.
Ti malo mene kliješta ovdje.
Okej.
Moraš otvjeti vamo. Moraš otvjeti vamo žicu.
Otkači jednu stranu žice ili nešto. Ne možeš slomiti još nogu.
Uzmi ovako treba. Uzmi obje noge.
Ja. Tako, to.
To vidiš.
Tak, neće ona ništa, vi. Nemojte samo slomiti nogu. Da li je slomiti? Pusti, neće ona maki.
Potpuno slomljene noge.
Je. Evo ja.